Hey guys, a very good evening to all of you. Can you guys confirm quickly in the chat if you guys are able to see me and listen to me as well, loud and clear? Guys, okay, guys. So we'll just start in a moment, right? I'm just waiting for more people to join in so that we can start, right? Just a minute. So meanwhile, guys, make sure to keep on getting such important updates. Make sure you're a part of all our social media handles, that is Instagram, our very cool community over Discord, right? And then Facebook, WhatsApp, and Telegram, because we keep on posting a lot of such updates on a regular basis on our social media handles. So if you're a part of them, you'd be the first one to know about them, and if you're not, you're really gonna miss all of those. So make sure you are a part of all our social media handles, right? So, guys, okay. First of all, we are here to talk about the Accenture Hiring Challenge, which is also called the Accenture Innovation Challenge. And this is not for any batch, guys. This any batch is actually eligible for this. Any batch is eligible for this particular challenge. Rather than every time when we come and I say it's for 22, it's for 21, this time I'm not going to say anything. Anyone can actually go and apply for it. I hope Subhadeep Mondal and Udesh Dharmik, you got your answer, right? All right. So guys, as I've already said, who can apply? So anyone can apply, right? We'll talk about how to apply. We'll talk about all the important dates, and we'll also talk about the link to apply for the same, right? So yeah. Meanwhile, guys, make sure you are a part of all our social media handles, and apart from that, you have subscribed to our YouTube channel and click onto the bell icon as well, so that you keep on getting such updates from us on a regular basis. Yes, it is in association with Hacker Earth, guys. Yeah. Okay. So guys, it's basically called the Accenture Innovation Challenge. As I've said, there is no criteria for year of passing, right? So this hiring actually would happen via an innovation challenge. No, not the basic aptitude test, but an innovation challenge. So it starts from 21st of July. So it is already, the registrations have already started. The registrations end on 7th of August, right? So you still have ample time to do that, right? Now, the mode of the entire challenge is online, guys, but there are certain specific things that we need to know about. So make sure you listen to this entire video carefully before applying. Okay. So you can participate in this challenge in a team of 1 to 4. Allowed team size is 1 to 4. You can be the single member in the team, or you can be like 4 members in the team for your innovation challenge, right? Let's talk about another important fact. So we'll talk about how the entire the process would happen, but before that, let me tell you the most important thing here. An opportunity for students to have a fast track interview with Accenture. So this is especially for the 2021 and 2022 batch pass outs, who takes part in this innovation challenge. Guys, if you really perform average to good to well in this particular innovation challenge, what we are expecting is you're gonna get a direct interview call from Accenture rather than the entire hiring process. You're gonna get a fast track interview with Accenture. That actually means that even if they will not hire 21 or 22 in this particular month, but if you perform really well in September, you would be the first one to get an interview call, and you would be the first among the 22 batch pass outs and then 21 batch pass outs to get a job in Accenture, even before their drive starts happening, which would also happen very, very, very soon, right? So okay, so this is via an innovation challenge, which I've already told you. So now let me talk about, so I've already told you the important dates, right? You must, so the first phase here is, guys, to apply for it. right? This is where the first phase is the registrations and the idea submission. So you have to apply for it. Everyone should go and apply for it individually. Like, let's say you have decided, like, you will have 4 members. Let's say you're a single member, you go and apply individually. If there are 4 members in your team, everyone should go and apply for it individually, and after that you can create a team there or join a team which is already created. So one of you can decide a captain and he can create a team, and the rest of the members, 2 or 3 or 4, I mean rest would be 2 or 3, right? 1 or 2 or 3, they can join in your team, right? Once that is done, you need to submit your idea. So the first thing that you need to do is idea. Which sort of technologies, which sort of skills they are looking into it, we'll talk about that as well. Second thing is, once your idea is submitted, they're going to shortlist you, and post that you have to submit your online simulation of the idea of the prototype that you're going to be developing in the challenge. So you have to do an online simulation for the same, the dates for which is September 8th to September 10th. Post which, guys, a lot of you would get prizes. I mean, you would get funding. The top 20, 30, 40 projects would get a funding to create their prototype, right? You create a prototype, and then finally, so that the prototyping dates are September 12 to 26, and then there is a grand finale which is on October 8th, and you get rewards. So let me show you that, the rewards and everything. So phase 1 I already discussed, registrations and idea submission. Yes, guys, 2023 is also eligible. Registrations and idea submission. Phase 2 is online simulation. So only a shortlisted team will advance to the stage and participate in the online simulation round of the prototype that you gonna be creating in the future. Phase 3 is prototyping. Top 20 teams will receive a funding. So it's not like only top 20 teams will create a prototype, but top 20 teams will receive a funding of rupees 25,000 to build their prototypes and compete in the semi-final round. If you're selected, you get a chance to be mentored by our innovation coaches and present the final solution to the grand jury in the next round. So that is the grand finale. Compete in the grand finale and present your innovative ideas to win big. So here are the prices, right? Jury's choice, 25,000, and then first runner-up gets 75,000, winner get 100K, second runner-up gets 75K, and the top 5 runner-ups get 25K. So that is exciting, guys. But more exciting is if you are really into the top 20 teams, or if you really perform well, you will get a fast track opportunity for interviewing with Accenture, and then get a job with Accenture. An opportunity for students to have a fast track interview with Accenture, right? So I think that's all we have from this particular. And so now let me show you quickly how do you register. So you can simply click on to register now. You can sign up with Google, right? Let me use this particular ID here. Right. So we have now logged in. So first thing is you log in, and then now you need to register. So this page would open up in front of you. So you can put your name, your gender, your current location, right? Let's say I choose Noida here. Your contact number, let's say +91 844 844 0710. Your university, let's say I choose. Okay, let me also check if the option of others is also here. Okay, so you do not have the others option here, guys. So you have to choose one of the universities that is available. So university does not actually mean your college name. It could be the university under which your college is affiliated to, right? Like colleges, like there are a lot of colleges in South India which are affiliated to Anna University, some colleges which are affiliated to AKTU. So you can choose that as well. Like let's say my college, so that is available here. Your year of graduation, so you can see, you can choose any of them. So 21, 22, you have an extra add-on, so challenge and then a job as well. Apart from that, others can also compete and get the prizes, right? Choose a resume from here. So you need to drop a resume, right? So let me find out a resume from here. Okay, so I'm gonna put in a resume. Yes, 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 and then submit. Right. So now, guys, these are the skills that you can choose multiple skills from here. Let's say in your prototype, you're going to be using 2-3 different skills. So backend development, database development, network architecture, machine learning is there, which we already have in our PrepInsta Prime subscription as well. DevOps, blockchain, front end and backend, we would be launching that soon, adding that soon, but it's not there already, right? So you can choose multiple skills from here. I mean, the ones that you're going to be using to create your prototype, you would already have an idea regarding the same, right? So you can choose multiple, but make sure you choose the one which you going to be really using in your exam, in your challenge. So you can choose multiple things from here. For civil mechanical, you can choose IoT, right, if you wish to. So I've chosen 3 from here. Select done. Okay. So once that is done, guys, you see the option of submit your idea here. And then you can also see an option of view team. So you can click on to view team over here. You can either build a team, right? Let's say you're building a team, right? So for that, you need to, add your friends there. So your friends would also apply in the same manner till this step. Once that is done, let's say you build a team. So you put your team description and everything, right? Whoever is creating the team would be the leader of the team, and then you can invite your friends, right? So you know the email ID of your friends which they used while applying for the challenge. So you can use the same mail ID here, and you can just call them to be a part of your team. Once that is done, guys, what you need to do is, I've already showed you that, what you need to do is submit your idea, right? Your sample idea. So you can just add a new idea over here, your title, your theme, right? Innovate for business, innovate for society, your entire description of the idea, files if you have any, and then simply apply for it. And then later on the team would select it, shortlist you, and based on the shortlisting, you would be getting the uh, you know uh, mail for your second round, and so on for the round 3 and round 4. So make sure, guys, you go and do it, because you'd have a lot of time right now. So this is actually the right time to go and apply for such innovative things. So even if you don't qualify for it, guys, you definitely be able to build something, right? Build a project which you can at least mention in a resume that you participated in this challenge for Accenture, which was conducted via Hacker Earth, and this was your team, this was the prototype that you built. You can at least talk about it in your interview, at least, right? So guys, that's all we have. So Adil, can you share the link for the same in the chat and in the description as well? Right. Meanwhile, guys, as I already keep on saying, please make sure you're a part of all our social media handles, that is Instagram, Discord, Facebook, WhatsApp, and Telegram, the link to which can be found in the description of the video, because we keep on posting a lot of such cool drives and challenges that keeps on happening, and we keep on posting them on all our social media handles. Apart from that, make sure you are also a part of our YouTube community. So you subscribe to the channel and click onto the bell icon, so that you keep on getting notifications about anytime me or Atule or any of the team members come live for you for anything which is important, right? And definitely we come with the correct information as well, right? So you can trust us on that as well, right? So guys, if you have any questions, you can now start putting the questions in the chat, and I'll be trying to. So guys, elevator pitch video is nothing but your idea, right? Once you create the idea, once you create the prototype, you're gonna have to, let's say you now need to raise a funding. So what you actually do, you create a pitch idea, right? You create an entire pitch of why this idea, how this is gonna be helping the society or the earth, or let's say it is any idea related to the environment, related to the society, technology. So you have to come up with a pitch. Pitch is nothing but wherein you present your idea with how you came up with the idea, what is your idea all about, and what is the what are you aiming through your idea, what is the benefit that the society is going to get through your idea. So you create an entire PDF, and then you create a video wherein you explain everything in detail, right? That is what an elevate pitch is all about. Meanwhile, guys, we have also launched PrepInsta Prime. I hope you guys have already checked that out. If not, make sure you go and check it out once. Because in PrepInsta Prime, you get a lot of things. I mean, you get everything that you need for placements under one single roof. Be it, skills like AI, cybersecurity, ethical hacking, big data, AWS cloud, be it the popular languages like C, C++, Java, Python, be it the popular coding, be it anything from aptitude like quants, logical, verbal, DI, visual reasoning, be it the popular platforms, be it the companies, product-based, service-based, be it the interview preparation. So we have courses like group discussion, HR, puzzles, resume, GitHub, guesstimates, and case study, guys. We have also added that as well, which is helpful while applying for ZS or Mu Sigma or Bank of America and a lot of other companies like that. So we've added that as well. You get a lot of cool projects, right? You get a lot of cool everything from your computer science subject, which generally you should know while in an interviewer would ask you a lot of questions from this particular subjects of computer science, right? OS, DBMS, HDLC, computer network, SQL. So everything is there. automata effects, right? So everything is there. Apart from that, the best part is, guys, you get interview experiences wherein we we show you, we have shot all the videos with students who got placed in the companies real time, and we will talk with them. We take a mock interview kind of a thing wherein you can watch the entire video to get an idea on to how your interview would happen for any particular company, or what are the things that they focus on, right? So I'll not be discussing much about this here, guys. Can you quickly drop in your questions or queries if you have any in the chat, so that we can wrap up with the session? Yeah. So the prices, guys, we are currently running huge discounts, approximately 70% discounts on all our Prime subscriptions. So 3 months, it's just rupees 2199. You get all the skills that I showed you. You get all the courses that I showed you under one roof. Not only that, you also get a TCS remote internship certificate along with the certificates from PrepInsta, right? You get multiple certificates from PrepInsta for all the skills that you complete on PrepInsta. Apart from that, you get the TCS Ion remote internship certificate as well. 6 months is 3199, 12 months is 4199, and for 18 months it's 4699. So you get more than 100 courses under one single roof, one single subscription, and these are the prices. Merely zero, right? Like 4699 or 4199 for 1 year for all those skills is the highest discount, maximum discount that could be possible on these courses, and this price would increase very, very soon. So make sure you go and check that out for sure. Okay, so guys, I'm just waiting for the question. So guys, I already showed you the skills, right? People who joined late can actually rewatch this video. Once I'm done with this video, this would be available on our YouTube channel. So you can go and watch it, wherein I showed you all the skills, that you need to have. You can choose among the skills that were already shown. I cannot show it to you again because I've already applied, and that only comes in when I'm trying to apply for it, right? Okay, let me still try if I have a screenshot for the same. Yeah, okay. You're lucky. So guys, these are the skills that, out of this particular skills, you have to choose one. Backend development, front-end development, database, full stack, right? These are the skills out of which you have to choose any of them. The challenge is about, guys, creating an idea, creating a prototype on anything which could help the society, which could help the environment, which could help the technology. Anything. They've not specified that it should be in this domain only. It's just that it should be a cool idea. Nothing that you have copied from the internet, but something that you have of your own. Or let's say you copied something from the internet, but you did some modifications to the same, or you added your part to it, and then you somehow made it even look cooler. So that is what you have to do. Guys, everyone is eligible. Everyone. Just that if you have this particular skill, so even if you're an engineer, MCA or MTech or BSc, if you have one or two of the skills, you can definitely go and participate in it. Guys, I think that's it we have from this particular video. Thank you so much, guys. If you still have any queries, you can definitely reach out to us on our social media handles. The team is quite active here. Apart from that, you can reach out to me personally as well. My Insta handle is Manish63163. Adil, can you just share that in the chat? You can definitely reach out to me on my Instagram as well, and I'll be more than happy to help you guys out with the challenge or everything wherein it's possible for me. I'll definitely try to help you guys. Apart from that, you can definitely post any of the questions on our Instagram handle, and the team would definitely reply back to you, or Discord or Facebook or WhatsApp or Telegram, right? We would be more than happy to reply back to you. So make sure if you have any doubts, you reach out to us, right? So Accenture Innovation Challenge or Accenture Hiring Challenge for anyone, especially guys, you can win prizes. That is okay, but you also get a chance for a fast track interview with Accenture. So that is what the most exciting part about this challenge is. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you have joined late, make sure you go and rewatch the video from the very beginning, because you might have missed on almost all the points that we have already discussed, right? And you can also call us on the below number 844-844-0710, which Adil has shared in the chat, for any queries that you might have. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, Adil, for helping.